They're set for a start and they're racing for the second race of the afternoon, the Sound of Cheers handicap. A little slowly out there is the indicator as the field settles down to race. There's a rush for the lead with Isle of Sky, just the leader from Nova towards the inside. On the outside there is Shivalik Silk. Then we go back to Script. Further back in the field there is Brilliant Gold being tracked on the inside by Bunting. On the outside being passed by Communique. Length and a half, 2 lengths behind is Rare, but then we go back to Pose. About length and a half behind there is Basharat. Second last is Popcorn, and the back marker is the indicator as they pass the 800, approach the 6. Isle of Sky has taken up the running about length and a half in front of him. Second is Nova. On the outside there is Shivalik Silk. Then we go back to Script. Length and a half, 2 lengths behind is Communique as they take the turn. Then we have Brilliant Gold. On the outside there is Rare, but towards the inside is Bunting. Then we go back to Pose, Basharat, Popcorn, the indicator. They enter the home straight now, and Isle of Sky is about length and a half in second. On the outside there is Shivalik Silk. They're into the last 200 now, and it's on the inside is Isle of Sky. Nova is challenging on the outside. Then third there is Script, but Nova now takes it up from Isle of Sky, and Nova is now going away with the second race of the afternoon. Nova wins it quite easily from Isle of Sky, stays on in second. In third there was Rare Bird, in fourth there was Script. Then we went back to Brilliant Gold. For the back was Pose. Then we had Basharat. For the back in the field there was Shivalik Silk. Then we went back to Bunting, Communique. Second last there was the indicator. Last of all, Popcorn.